जरूरी आज चलो bekasi dan kulit. Olha bom, mas é muito zado
Bashir साहब इकली पान
भाई पाक है ना पाक
oversee the situation that is unfolding right now. But yes, they are right now in a position to speak. We try to speak to them, but they refuse to speak for now because this is the time when officials would need a better coordination and implementation on the ground to ensure that not only the operation continues, but also that the team of doctors which is treating them inside at the hospital and other hospitals where they have been dispatched, that they get the best possible treatment. But let me show you the area. Bashir, if you can stand and show you that these are the mountain streets where they were actually, trekking and they were going. But that is the area of the military open fire somewhere between 2 to 3 because these mountains are connected. That is where the Amarnath Yatra generally takes place on the left hand side. This is where the Baltal route is. I beg your pardon. This is where Amarnath route is. And then
मैं तो नहीं going to share it.
And then beyond that you go to Sanmarg. Because Sanmarg is where when the time attack took place, there's a high possibility that they might have slipped to the areas of South Kashmir or Central Kashmir. But now it's very clear that they have tried to stay here and they were all the while possibly, because if it's the same group, it's the same group which has been trying to come in through these mountain ridges, that they were hiding, that they were planning an attack. Comes at a time when the US Vice President is in India and there has been incidents in the past when dignitaries like Bill Clinton was in India, attacks took place. When Barack Obama was in India, attacks have taken place. This might be a very well planned attack to ensure that Kashmir is brought once again on the limelight and to ensure that once again, because he is in India, there might be a talk about Kashmir and Kashmir issue. That seems to be the intent and that seems to be the case, but nonetheless, no locals have been attacked, but this seems to be brutal and gruesome that has taken place. There was an attack which took place just 5 kilometers from this particular place in Pahalgam itself, where a non-local couple was attacked using a pistol, but the guy was being held and he was tasked to carry out that attack. But that resulted in this
हेलो तो क्या कर भी है कि ये तो वाला क्या कर रहा है जैसे कि ये
well, yes, you're absolutely right because it's at 5:42 and around 6 and 4:06 it was at a little dark because this is a mountainous area, it's a kind of valley shaped area. So That particular thing has
हम नहीं पाई पाया सर कैसे करो
whether or not that holds true this time for one of it's clear that the attack is huge, attack is big, and there are possibilities of 10 plus people getting hurt in this particular attack. How many casualties are there? We are not still sure.
Hello?
But, there is a possibility of those who are injuries, and still we have the distressed family. I'll ask Bashir Loon if he can zoom in and show you that a distressed family of tourists is right now coming out, and they are worried about their loved ones and their health and status because this is an unexpected thing. There were children. We don't want to show any children right now. And Bashir, can you zoom out that? We don't want to see the visuals of children right now because they're in distress. But yes, it has led to a lot of worry among those who were there at that point of time. And this is something which is gruesome, and time is of essence because there are possibility and reports that maybe also in the forest area, because the dense forest area will take time to search through the area if there are more tourists who will be here and there apart from the small little garden style valley which exists on the ground. So that is to be routes that these militants adopted to run, or where they carry any horses or any equipment to reach there, or they did take any lift from anyone to get there. But yes, this is a big attack. All the forces have been rushing to see. Top officials from the army, police, CRPF, everyone is on the ground ensuring that the situation is brought under control and they are able to bring the situation on the ground. Once again, going back to the visuals, you have the police, you have the SDRF, you have the
ग्राउंड से यार तू टेंशन में थी फायदा tu gel lan. Kayak dulu. Ide sih. Ya mau mana yang cuma. Oh, ini kan satu zaman. Macam mana?